Welcome to the video on e-commerce 2026. This chapter marks a fundamental shift in managerial thinking. Rather than simply cataloging online tools, we will explore the evolution from traditional methods to advanced AI commerce. Omnichannel strategy is about making the store an integral part of the digital system. It creates a seamless customer journey, searching, checking stock, ordering, picking up, returning, and updating loyalty status all in one flow. It is a common misconception that having many channels automatically means you are omnichannel. True omnichannel integration is first and foremost an organizational and incentive challenge, rather than just a technology problem. Omnichannel initiatives often fail when internal incentives conflict with the customer journey. For example, store staff may discourage online pickups if those orders do not count toward their sales targets. Alignment is essential. The physical store is a powerful digital asset. By functioning as a hub for fulfillment, returns, and brand experience, the physical store enhances the total value proposition when combined with digital systems. Payment is more than a transaction. It is a conversion engine and a vital data gateway. Reducing friction in the checkout process can significantly improve conversion rates, while payment data provides deep customer insights. Trust acts as the invisible infrastructure of e-commerce. From reviews and warranties to seller identification, effective platform design combines multiple mechanisms to ensure the cost of cheating far outweighs any potential benefit. The behavior of Vietnamese buyers impacts the economics of every order. Factors like cash-on-delivery preferences, shipping fee sensitivity, and the influence of creators on trust require tailored operational responses to maintain profitability. Sustainable profit grows through 4 key levers: increasing AOV and repurchase rates, while reducing returns and acquisition costs. These strategies outperform simple price cuts in the long run. Every persistent barrier, such as delivery costs or skill shortages, presents a source of durable competitive advantage if solved effectively. Success rewards firms that build stronger internal systems to address these challenges. We are entering an era of agentic commerce, where the human sets the goal and the AI executes the transaction. This transition means moving from humans simply searching for goods to AI agents actively negotiating and buying. The 3 levels of AI-assisted, AI-driven, and agentic commerce differ by where decision rights reside. As autonomy increases, the manager's role shifts from a simple tool user to an architect of rules and risk. With agentic commerce, a single, complex instruction can trigger an autonomous purchase. The AI process involves understanding goals, searching across channels, verifying stock and reviews, comparing options, and finally acting within set parameters. Higher levels of AI autonomy require significantly stronger controls. As we move toward agentic systems, we must clearly define who is responsible and who provides compensation, ensuring systems have proper caps and emergency stops. Finally, remember that AI output is not equivalent to a business decision. Durable advantage is built on the synthesis of proprietary data, customer insight, experimentation, and critical human judgment. Let's begin by looking at how 20 diverse cases form 5 reusable archetypes. Whether they are platforms, social creators, or D2C brands, these archetypes provide a repeatable framework for business analysis. These cases are essential, as they allow students to build deep insights across all 12 chapters of the course. Understanding these archetypes helps us see patterns in the market. We use 7 core questions to read any e-commerce business. By asking who creates demand, owns relationships, controls transactions, or bears the risk, we uncover the hidden dynamics of any model. Crucially, the answers to these questions rarely point to the same party. This central framework is a key tool for your upcoming assignments, exams, and team projects. When we analyze value, control, and risk, we see the gap between who creates value and who captures it. This gap is the true essence of platform power in the current market. Use this comparison as a template for your own case studies. It helps clarify how different players, from marketplace sellers to content-driven businesses, operate within their specific ecosystem constraints. Remember, your channel strategy must start with product behavior, not just the latest trends. Every choice should be validated with a small-scale test before you commit significant resources. For our classroom discussions, we will use the 100 million Vietnamese dongs challenge. It asks teams to test a hypothesis with limited staff and a 3-month time frame to see what really works. E-commerce is an ecosystem, not just a website. Think of the flow, from demand and search to transactions, payments, fulfillment, and after-sales, all fueled by data and AI. Crucially, remember that data alone is not value. Value is the sequence of moving from insight to decision, then to action, and finally to a positive outcome. We recommend you invest gradually in at least one long-term value link: demand creation, building a customer relationship, or learning from data. Ask yourself, which link does your business control? Every role in e-commerce owns a measurable outcome. From the manager focused on contribution margins to the analyst tracking decision impact, clarity on these metrics defines professional capability. Finally, we leave you with this. E-commerce does not reward whoever opens the most channels. It rewards those who clearly understand what value each channel is creating or taking away.